Ever considered becoming a certified home inspector? Think of guiding significant financial decisions. Welcome to A Buyer's Choice Home Inspections, the world's premier home inspection franchise. At the heart of ABCHI's success are 5 key pillars that set us apart. We're trusted by homeowners and realtors for expert inspection during home buying. We're not just inspectors, confidants, advisors, and partners. Secondly, we employ leading-edge technology. We deliver prompt, professional digital reports packed with images and videos. These tools are invaluable for anyone in real estate. As a franchisee, you'll have everything you need for any inspection right at your fingertips. The third pillar is our proven marketing system. We provide franchisees with a robust marketing strategy, targeting social media and SEO. This strategy sets you on path to success. Next is our industry-leading training and certification. You'll encounter comprehensive training, crossing technical, operational, and marketing aspects. Each participant gets over 300 hours. We ensure you're to serve your community. Finally, we have established partnerships. ABCHI, founded by a realtor in 2007, is ingrained in real estate. We're expanding partnerships for more opportunities for our inspectors. Ready to be a certified home inspector with ABCHI? Embrace this chance to join a leading franchise. Make a difference. Learn more with ABCHI. Call us now, 1-800-929-0189.